today it's all about Poland. We have built up a 5G campus networks in Kraków in order for our customer to explore and feel 5G.
Hub4 Industry in Kraków is the showroom and demo space for Industry 4.0 technologies. It has been built and maintained by the consortium of several commercial partners, including T-Mobile, represented by hubraum, and leading tech universities.
With the launch of 5G, we are realizing a quantum leap in mobile communication. And to me, the most exciting feature here is network slicing. With that, our business customers will exactly get their network fulfilling the requirements they have, a dedicated campus network.
Kraków Hub4 Industry is the place showing industrial-grade telecommunication in the form of campus networks be a vital part of all business processes in manufacturing.
So irrespective, we are talking a fully digitized assembling line with its millions of sensor data or the fully automatic flow of materials, whether we are talking the tracking and tracing of a complex logistic process, or we are talking the office of the future, which is fully open and flexible.
In Hub4 Industry, we combine startup solutions with companies that has been dealing with the telecommunication, industrial robotics and automation for years.
One of the most important elements of the whole environment is Packet Core, which is based on an open source project. Open Evolved Mobile Core is a solution which was developed together with Intel and the ONF community.
Our project supports the distributed manufacturing concept. It consists of 4 locations in Kraków, connected via MPLS wide area network, with 2 being a regular manufacturing sites with local campus connectivity.
EPC Shared Service Center in Warsaw is proud to be a part of Hub4 Industry project. We are the group of passionate people who are experts in mobile packet core. Our deep technical knowledge as well as international involvement help us in developing the unique solution for the campus networks industry.
Guests from the whole DT and all DT's customers are highly welcome to visit us in Kraków. We, hubraum, and our consortium partners will be happy to show you Hub4 Industry either online or during the on-site meeting.
We at Deutsche Telekom are planning, deploying, running and maintaining those networks for our business customers. And together with our incubator hubraum, we are going even a significant step further. We identify and nurture agile specialists from the systems engineering area. Together with them, we are forming an unrivaled ecosystem of partner companies.